Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today is all about my wash day routine. Now, as you can see, my hair is looking like it is in need of a wash. And don't judge me, y'all, but listen, I was trying out these pipe cleaner curls because it's been a while since I've done pipe cleaner curls, and Lord, I was trying to figure it out, and I couldn't for the life of me figure it out, and you'll figure that out in the next video. But I am using a new shampoo. I'm using from a brand called Locs. It's a shampoo bar, and I really want to focus on doing shampoo bars at the moment because it's more eco-friendly and it smells amazing. So the first thing I do is obviously just rinse my hair with some water, making sure every strand is lubricated. Look at that. Look at that. Looking back at past videos, I'm like, wow, my hair really did grow. Now I'm just foaming up the shampoo bar. As you can see, it foams up really, really nice. And I'm just applying that all over my scalp area. I'm doing the length of my locks during the second wash, but right now I just wanted to focus on my scalp. And it's so easy to just kind of just rub it all over, and it lathers really, really well. So I'm just, taking my time, making sure I get every nook and cranny. Then with the pads of my fingers, I am massaging my scalp. The smell of this shampoo bar is amazing. I can't even describe like the scents, but the box says it has ylang ylang, so maybe it's ylang ylang. I don't know. It smells incredible, y'all. Like, just take my word for it. It foams up really, really nice, as you can see, and I'm very impressed with this. This is my first time actually using this shampoo bar, so far I'm loving it. Make sure to, massage my edges. I'm rinsing off now, and I'm making sure to thoroughly rinse. With shampoos, it's really hard, especially with like super foamy shampoos like this. So that's why I really want to make sure that I'm rinsing out completely. I'm going in the second time, and I'm also getting the length of my locks as well. Eventually, I do want to do a detox, and y'all, get ready for some lock videos because I got some things that I want to show you, some things I want to review, so just stay tuned for that. So I'm rubbing the shampoo bar down the length of my locks as well as the roots of my hair. I'm massaging it in all over and just taking my time. Really, wash day is all about me, and I get to be very much selfish during this time, especially as a mom. You gotta find time for yourself, and wash day is that time for me where I can just relax and just be in a state of peace because motherhood is stressful. So I just love when I get to take time out and do this kind of self-care for me, because this wash day, y'all, it's truly self-care. So as you can see, my entire locks have been submerged in this shampoo bar, and a little really does go a long way. And look at just the foam. Now listen, it might be too much, but I don't know about you. I like when my shampoo foams up. It lets me know that it's actually doing something. But hey, that's just me. Now I'm rinsing everything off. Here we are. Look at my locks. Look at how long my locks got. I look at photos from the past, and I'm amazed and I'm grateful. So at this time, I like to separate each lock because sometimes my locks like to stick together. So I'm taking this time in the shower when my hair is wet to separate each lock, taking my time, being as gentle as I possibly can, and totally random. But y'all, I love my locks, don't get me wrong, but I eventually want to start them over, and I'm not going to start them over from scratch. I'm probably just going to like cut them off and like reattach them via crochet. So listen, I'm gonna explain in the next video, or like in a video down the line, why I want to do this. But listen, it is what it is. I love my locks. I love how long they've gotten, but I just yo, I gotta get it done over, and I gotta get it done over by a professional, because when I started my locks this time around, I started it on my own. I didn't know what I was doing in the bag. I didn't know how it looked, and I didn't know the specific technique for it. So we're gonna talk about that in another video. My hair is done, it's cleansed, it's completely rinsed off. So I'm using my microfiber towel to kind of just put it away and let it dry a little bit. My hair dries rather quickly. So next is moisturizing. Now, lately, I've been attempting to not put anything on my scalp. I'm trying to do a no oils, no butter method. I'm going to mention it in another video, but I'm currently using Camille Rose's Honeydew. Now listen, I know I'm vegan and honey is not considered vegan for most folks, but I need something that is super moisturizing, and this I found to be rather moisturizing. I found this at Target. And so I was just like, you know what? I love Camille Rose products and she hasn't failed me, so I want to use it. Now, it's very interesting. When I started like really spritzing my hair with this, I noticed this kind of like foaming type of situation. And I was like, did I not rinse my hair properly in the shower? But no, this is actually the moisturizer spray that I'm using. And eventually it does dry. It doesn't leave like a film or anything like that. And it has a very interesting scent. I want to say it almost smells like fenugreek. And sometimes Mr. Man says I smell like French toast with like maple syrup or something like that. So as you can see, it's got this kind of foaming situation to it. And honestly, I thought that I didn't rinse my hair properly, but I did. Okay, I did. So I was a little confusion here, but eventually it like dried up and it went into the hair and the scalp well. So don't be alarmed when you see this. I assure you, I rinsed my hair in the shower, y'all. Like, I really took my time in the shower, okay? So I'm just kind of like massaging it in and massaging my scalp and making sure it gets into my hair shaft, what have you. But as you can see, I was a little nervous here because I wasn't sure. This is my first time using the product. But at the end, yeah, I had to check it because I was like, girl, what is this? So I ended up patting my hair some more just to make sure that the foaming kind of dissipates, and it eventually did. So I'm really glad the way both of these products worked out for me. Look at my hair, y'all. Look at my hair. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.